Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for providing us an opportunity to participate in the 7th International Best Practice Competition. Today, we shall present to you our best practice titled as The Way Beyond Traditional Procurement Process. Overview of the organization. Dubai Municipality is one of the largest governmental institutions in UAE and was established in 1954. It has 6 vital sectors, 34 departments, and 4 centers within its structure. With more than 12,000 employees and workers to serve around 3 million people with 175 plus services in Dubai City. Purchasing and contracts department is aligned with two strategic goals: manage assets and financial resources, enhance the relation with partners and suppliers. The main stockholders are 34 internal departments, 2 system providers, and more than 2,000 local and international suppliers. The best practice. The main drivers of our best practice are the following challenges: high procurement transactions, complex operational paths, and outdated manual processes, huge waste in time, efforts, and costs, low stakeholder satisfaction rate by 65%, high procurement value is 0.7 billion dirhams, government initiatives and directions. So our best practice is a digitalized and agile approach through digital transformation of procurement process that was planned and implemented to improve efficiency, effectiveness of procurement process, and therefore the overall satisfaction. Scope of the practice. The main aim of the best practice was reduce procurement cycle at Dubai Municipality from 210 days to an average of 45 days using re-engineering approach and utilizing innovative and digitalized technologies to deliver more value in simplest ways. The scope of the best practice was re-engineering, streamlining and digitalizing procurement process in order to increase efficiency, effectiveness, quality, productivity and stakeholder satisfaction. The practice did not emphasize only on setting long-term relationship strategy with supplier, methodology to automate the committee's decisions through artificial intelligence. The initial boundaries were limited budget, lack of digital culture, presences of other priorities, lack of experts, change resistance. Implementation methodology trade. The practice was a benchmarking using international methodology known as trade, which included the following main activities. In TOR stage, we defined the drivers of the practice team, scope, risk, and benefits, etc. In review stage, we reviewed current situation using different studies and analysis to highlight the focus area. Acquire stage, we completed the process of benchmarking with the selected partners. In deploy stage, we prioritized the acquired ideas, approved them, and set action plan and implemented them with the engagement of stakeholders. Evaluate stage, we evaluated the implementation outcomes via measuring the related KPIs and cost analysis. Best practices selection. Through conducting many studies and researching for the best practices, two methods have been used for implementing. First, implementing internal quick wins due to easiness and their impact of implementation. Others were implemented through appropriate action plans. Below are examples of these practices which have been implemented as part of the best practices and the partners, which are re-engineering procurement processes, designing agile procurement paths, creating and managing data warehouse, designing a smart performances monitoring system, e-evaluation automation of contracts committee evaluation, supplier journey, e-contracts, and the partners are involved are RTA, McDonald's, Align Zoo, Dubai Airports, Jagger Solution. Level of innovation. Applying agility and re-engineering of procurement process was a game changer at Dubai Municipality. The type of innovation in our practice is a radical technology innovation in which we provided our stockholders with digital procurement offer. In order to position our offer, we added more value to differentiate it in the procurement field. Our time is more off. Solution instead of product, value instead of price, access instead of place, education instead of promotion. We successfully achieved the targeted goals through following two main approaches. First, simplicity approach. Here we crafted for procurement process that was the trademark of innovative solutions and made the use of procurement meet business objectives with clearly timely and effective processes. Second one, the innovative technology, which heavily relied on a digital roadmap that included data warehouse we created, technologies and e-procurement systems we used, operational standards we designed, the concept of stakeholders centric we captured. Evidence it is the best. The best practice was validated by many dimensions, and we believe it is a best practice because it not only achieved the targets but also went beyond that through the following. The practice allowed us to reimagine customer value proposition, targeting different stakeholders, meets and increase their happiness by 54%, receiving multiple recognitions from several organizations such as Stevie Award and SIPS, increasing operational processing power and unlimited connectivity. We increased our productivity by 290%. The remarkable results and achievements such as 100% digital, zero visit, and zero paper. We also shared our practices with other entities as well. According to the American Productivity and Quality Center, which is the world's foremost authority on benchmarking and comparing our performances with our global peers, we have achieved remarkable results as shown in the table below. We're going to compare the practice worldwide in Dubai Municipality. Average procurement days for services. Worldwide, it takes 59 days, whereas at Dubai Municipality, it takes just 23 days. Average procurement days for goods. Worldwide, it takes 58, and Dubai Municipality, only 12 days. Percentage of purchase orders approved electronically. Worldwide, it takes 78%, and Dubai Municipality takes 100%. Average to pay supplier invoices. Worldwide, it takes 50, and Dubai Municipality, it takes just 35 days. Financial benefits. As for our financial benefits, there are some examples. Reducing 105,000 yearly paper with the cost of 23,000 yearly. Reduction in advertisement of tenders by 100% and saved 19.4 million yearly. 8 operational enhancement allowed 592,000 saving yearly. Achieving total significant results in terms of saving by reducing 30% and saving 258 million yearly from the budget and 82 million from the operational cost. So the total saving is 363 last year. Benefits. We have achieved many non-financial benefits, for instance, zero visits, zero paper, and full digital cycle. Accelerate cycle time from an average from 210 days to just 32 days, 100% working remotely for the procurement team, which led to an increase of the employee satisfaction rate from 87 to 89% and employees productivity by 290%. Business unit satisfaction rate has been raised from 61 to 94% and supplier satisfaction from 65 to 92%. Eliminate manual and non-added value processes by 54%, achieving accuracy of 86% of the smart decision without human intervention, improving skills and knowledge of employees in order to build a new culture. 24/7 accessible procurement systems. COVID-19. During the tough phase of the COVID-19, we still managed to ensure services continuity, implementing remote work for all job categories, ensure strategic inventory systems, spare parts, and consumables providing services. The last one is a futuristic plan. Processes and indicator and stakeholders' opinions were reviewed. The new procedures will link to the work guides, written instructions, workflows, roles, responsibilities, technology support, and standards. We gathered various ideas and best practices which were not implemented due to time frame and grouped in terms of impact for coming years in order to support Dubai Municipality's strategic plan suitability of procurement pioneering results. Thank you.